What is up, guys? It's MTG of MTG Reviews, and today we are checking out this thing, the CITI GOLF. Yay! It's fine! It's fine! And we'll find out why almost every guy that I have wants this car. So this is going to be a quick review, so let's chop it up very fast. So outside, it's basically a Golf MK1, in which is the Golf 1. It's literally the Golf 1, like with minimal changes, in which is like 2 extra lights and a newer bumper, and they called it a day. They kept producing this from 1984 up until 2009 here in South Africa, calling it the CITI GOLF. And that's kind of crazy. So VW discontinued this car in 2009 when the Polo 5, in which is the current Polo Vivo, was introduced. So the Polo 4 replaced this car as the entry level on the VW stable. So yeah, basically that's it. And outside, looking at it, it has this classical boxy shape, in which in the 1980s it was a thing, so we still have it. And this is like a plain cracker. You can customize it to however you want. So I feel like that's one of the things that why most guys like it. It's for its customizability. Some guys have tuned theirs, in which looks good to most, and some it's brother, it's a hit or miss, but then it is what it is. It happens. So yeah, most people like it for its customizability. And before we get inside, can you please subscribe? I trust that you will. Danko. So getting inside, I have this door handle. It has a nice feeling clang to it. It's not like a normal door handle where you just pull. You just press this tab here and then it opens. It's nice. So getting inside, this is basically it. You have the old dashboard. It's just the square here, and I think they're coming back, this kind of dashboard where it's like functionality over form. So we have the aftermarket radio here. We have the climate controls just here. We don't have air conditioning on this car, so it has its coldest, but then it's not really working. It's a CITI GOLF. And then here we have the events and the controls, just like an event there and an event here. So what's crazy about this car is how thin the doors are. Look at this. This is like, this is all you have. Is the side protection. It's yeah, this is all you have on the side. And then we have a mirror here, and then these are sun blockers and a dome light. As you can't see one anywhere. It's only on the driver's side. And I'm not sure if you can, oh yeah, you can switch it on or set it. Yes, set to door open. No, it's not. Hey, let me see. No, hey, I don't know how it works. But then yeah, this is basically the inside. This steering wheel, has it power steering? Wait, why is your steering not turning? Another thing is the time here. We have the time. And then look at the petrol. This is all we have. I don't know how far this car is gonna go, but then the owner is on, I know, some car level. And then here we have the gear knob. Very clean gear knob actually. And then the handbrake is here. And then yeah, the steering wheel. Oh, it works well. Clean. No airbag. You have seat belts, so you die like a man here. But then yeah, that's basically it with here. And then we have storage and storage here. It's all about storage. And then yeah, here's how the door card looks. The door card looks like this. This one is for the mirror adjustment, that rear view mirror. And then here it's the door opener, as you know. Not door opener, window opener, door opener. And then there's the grab handle, speaker there. And then at the back, yeah, we have these seats, in which whiplash is a real thing here. Yeah, at least it works. And yeah, that's about that inside here. And yeah, all in all, if you want a project car at a low budget, go for it. There's nothing that comes close to this when it comes to flexibility and it taking abuse. Just do your research a bit and then just go for it, man. I don't see any competition when it comes to its range. And yeah, that's about it. Catch you on the next one. Danko.